Sabi nila, hindi daw lahat ng mayaman may kotse. Pero hindi lahat ng matalino talaga. Yung iba, piling matalino lang para makapanapak ng iba. So, basically, ang tao sa panahon ngayon, napaka-worse. Wala na yung dati, wala na yung kung paano ba yung tamang disiplina ng mga kabataan ng unang panahon. Yung mga panahon na since ako kasi 90s ako so yung mga yung mga tao noon talagang mas disente, mas presentable sila kaysa sa mga panahon na yun. Yung mga tao ngayon, napaka-worst talaga. Kumbaga parang ang hirap intindihin, ang hirap unawain. Yung kahit gumawa ka na ng tama, gumawa ka na ng kung ano ba, sinundan mo na yung yapak nila, sinundan mo na yung sa tingin mong tama para sa kanila. Pero at the end of the day, wala pa rin kwenta. Para ka lang basura na, or para ka lang isang tao na after kang pakinabangan, tinapon ka lang sa paligid, tinapon ka lang dyan na parang walang nangyari. So basically, I don't think so kung bakit napaka-worst ng tao ngayon. Kasi talaga nagsisimula yan sa mga parents sa parental way of on how the children or how the young ones build their own way of thinking. So yun, I'm not good in English, I'm not fluent to speak English, but I'm trying my best to do something to achieve more people who can enlighten by learning from me in a simple way, in a simple action of mine, to help them to enlighten their minds, to enlighten what really happened in this world. So if you want some advice, if you want some quotes, or if you want something um, topic that you want to kung gusto mong masubukan or gusto mong maitakal, sinisipon ako maitakal, you can follow me on my Wattpad account, you can follow me on my good novel, and you can follow me here also in my YouTube. Scroll mo lang yung mga dating video ko, may mga tips and advice doon regarding sa life, but I'm not hindi pa ako sobrang confident nun na magbibigay ng advice. But this thing is my I love to do this. I love on how to sisipon ako. I love to do things that create something new, create some revolution. I do revolution by doing this. So basically, guys, I hope you support me, I hope you can learn something from me, and I hope we can learn, and I do help you in a simple way. So thumbs up, guys, subscribe to my channel, Mixie GC Jeff here. Bye.